Hello, little puppy.
He figured out how to crawl.
Hello, puppy. Puppy. Little puppy. Ferdinand. Miss Paranoid. Hello, Maria. Hello, Bradley. They're all adorable. especially the puppy, Ferdinand.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
He's just really bitey.
Yep.
So that just makes him more adorable. Little fighting spirit. Hello, dogs. Hello, Miss Paranoid. Aw. Was it Lizzie? I don't know. I'll just call you Miss Paranoid because I can remember that. Hello, Maria. Hello, Flabberderg. Aw. Oh my god.
You're moving to Canada. You're going to Canada, aren't you, pup? Down.
Hello. Dogs. Dog. Oh, Miss Paranoid. Oh my god, you're adorable. Oh, adorable, aren't you? You'll be out here for a while. The dogs have came back. You see the wagging of that dog's tail. It's Paranoid. Everything's gonna be okay. Hello, dogs. Puppy. It's Puppy again. It's little Ferdinand. Oh my god. That's hilarious. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh my god. Puppies. Oh my god. Miss Paranoid. Oh god. They're fighting. No. No fight. Stop the fight.